Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to send Dropbox file notifications on Google Chat at specific time intervals. So as a manager of a real estate agency, we are also working on videos and media. So my objective is that when the content creators are going to upload the videos related to the marketing on Dropbox, automatically a notification should be sent to all my team members on Google Chat space. But here the condition is that I only want to send the notification when the target of the videos will be completed and will be uploaded in Dropbox. So how we are going to automate this entire process? For this, we will have to set up a connection between Dropbox and Google Chat, and that we are going to do without any coding and programming skills, simply with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to learn this amazing automation step by step, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So in this video, we are going to learn that how we can automatically notify our team members on Google Chat space for file upload in Dropbox. So as the marketing manager for Prime Properties, which is a real estate company, we often work with a large volume of video content as well. So we have a separate content team, and the team members are creating marketing videos on regular basis related to my real estate agency, so that the clips that the content team is creating related to the promotional tours, villa tours, etc. could be sent to different clients on the basis of their requirements and could be uploaded on social media applications by the social media team. Now, to use these videos, to upload these videos separately, we have created a separate folder in Dropbox, and as soon as a content creator is going to upload the video, I want to notify my team members. But here I want to use a condition that because there is a daily target for the content creators to create the videos, here we have the daily target of 3 videos every day. Alright, so here I want that not for each and every video I want to send a notification on my team, because we are sending multiple updates related to multiple tasks on our marketing team's Google Chat space, and I do not want to disturb the team members by sending multiple notifications for each and every video which is uploaded. Here my objective is that in a specific time interval, when the target will be completed by the content creators of the 3 videos, then only the message and the notification should be sent to my team members that the 3 videos are uploaded, and finally the team members can further check and review the videos. Now, in order to automate this entire process, I will have to build a simple connection between Dropbox and Google Chat space. For building this connection, because they are not directly connected, I am going to use an amazing automation and integration software, that is Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation software which is going to help us to set up connections between our work applications without the requirement of any coding and programming skills. So let's get started quickly to automate this task. We are currently on the home page of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach by typing the URL pabbly.com/connect. So after coming on the home page, we will find 2 options: sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user, just click on sign in to log into your account. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button with green color. As you will do that, you will be receiving 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations, because it is going to create a free new account for you, and it is going to take just 2 minutes. Okay, so here currently, because I am an existing user, so I'm going to click on sign in option. It has taken us towards the all apps section, where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create our automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. And now you can see it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So on our dashboard, we can find all our workflows which we have created. And to save these workflows, we can also create separate folders. As you can see, I have created separate folders for separate workflows according to different conditions. Now, to create a new workflow, we are going to click on this create workflow option. As we have done that, a dialog boxes appear in front of us. It is asking us to provide a name to our workflow. So here, first of all, I'm going to give a name. Send Dropbox file notification on Google Chat space at specific time interval. Alright, after giving the name to my workflow, I'm going to select the folder. So because I am creating this automation to effectively manage my team and the task of the team, so here I'm going to select the folder automations for team and task management. Then I'm going to click on create, and my workflow will get saved in the folder which I have selected over here. Now as we have done that, you can see a new screen is open in front of us, and the screen contains 2 extremely important windows. So first is the trigger over here, and the other is action. Now, what are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the 2 main concepts, the principles, or we can say these are the building blocks on which the entire automation runs. Here the trigger says when this happens, and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Now let's suppose here my objective is that whenever in the specific folder of my Dropbox, 3 videos, the target videos will be uploaded by the content creators, then I want to send a notification to my team members on Google Chat Space that the target 3 videos are uploaded on our Dropbox folder so the team members could review. Now let's suppose for this I am going to take Dropbox in trigger and Google Chat Space in action. When we are going to build a connection between these applications, we will clearly see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands. Because when the trigger happens, that means when the videos are uploaded successfully in Dropbox, then only the message will be sent, otherwise not. And not for each and every video, but only the message will be sent to the team members when the number of videos which are uploaded will be equal to 3. Otherwise, the message is not going to send for each and every video upload. So how we are going to create this automation without any coding and programming skills, that I am going to show you in this video step by step. So to start with the workflow, let's go towards our trigger step first of all, and we have to select our trigger application. Now over here, because my objective is that as soon as a new video is uploaded on my Dropbox folder, the response should be captured inside Pabbly Connect. So the trigger application will be Dropbox. Let's select that. After selecting the trigger application, the next we have to select is trigger event. Now what is trigger event? Trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to trigger or it is going to start. So we have two trigger events over here, new file and new folder. So on the happening of whichever event you want to capture the response, you have to select one of them. Here our objective is that whenever a new file will be uploaded in Dropbox, in my case the file is video, then I want to capture the response. Okay, so here in order to capture the response every time, we have to build a connection between Dropbox and Pabbly. So we'll simply click on connect. You can see I'm already logged into my Dropbox account, and now for building the connection we have two options: add new connection and select existing connection. In case if you already have an existing connection, you can also go with that, but if you want to create a new connection, you have to keep in mind that you are already logged into your Dropbox account, and then you are going to click on this add new connection button. After doing this, here we have the option of connect with Dropbox. So we have clicked on this button, and now here you can see that automatically the authorization has become successful and the connection between Dropbox and Pabbly Connect is built successfully. Now after building the connection, we have to move forward towards entering the folder path, in which folder when the video will be uploaded you want to capture the response. So the name of my folder is Prime Properties Marketing Content. I will simply copy this folder name and I'm going to paste it over here. As we have done that, here we have entered the folder name, but we have to convert this folder name to folder path, and it is given in the instructions that in order to convert the name of your folder into folder path, you have to simply add this slash. So in front of the name here I am going to add one slash, and then we are going to click on save and send test request button to capture the response. But over here, before clicking on this button, I need to tell you one more important thing, that you can see 10 minutes is given in front of Dropbox. What does this mean? This means that Dropbox is based on 10 minutes of polling time. Polling time is actually the time which Pabbly Connect is going to take every time for capturing the new response. Because we have 10 minutes of polling time in Dropbox, this means that whenever a new file will be uploaded in Dropbox, then after 10 minutes the response of that file will be captured inside Pabbly Connect. So when we are going to click on save and send test request button, we are going to receive the response of the latest file or the latest video which was uploaded in my folder. So here we have these videos which are already uploaded, and we can see that last video which was uploaded is this 12:25 p.m. Okay, so when we are going to click on save and send test request button, currently we're going to receive the response of this particular video. So let's go back, we'll click on save and send test request button. In case if you want to capture the new response, you have to first of all upload the video, upload the file in the folder, and then you have to click on this button. As you have done that, you can see that yes, here we have received the response. We have the same video as I have told you, it is the latest one. Alright, this means that the connection between Dropbox and Pabbly Connect is absolutely successful. So now when we have received the response of the file which is recently uploaded, our objective is to send notification to our team members for that. But as I told you here, my objective is that I do not want to send the message, send the notification for each and every video which is uploaded in my Dropbox folder. I want that when the target videos will be completed by the content creators, here in my case we have the target videos as 3. We have 3 content creators in our team, and we want that whenever the 3 videos will be uploaded in this particular folder by all the content creators, then only the message, the notification should be sent to the other team members of marketing team on Google Chat Space that the videos are uploaded and they can check. I do not want to disturb the team members with each and every new notification. Okay, so here I want to send the message message on a very specific time on the completion of the target videos. Alright, so here how am I going to do that? So I will have to use another important feature of Pabbly, that is counter. With the help of counter, I am going to count the number of videos that are being uploaded in Dropbox, and as soon as the count of the videos will become 3, then only I want to send the notification on Google Chat Space and not before that. So here we are going to simply go towards our action step and we will select our action application. So the action application over here will be number formatter. Number formatter is an amazing feature which helps us to format the numbers in the workflows according to our choice. We have multiple events over here, as you can see. Format number, format phone number, format currency, etc. As I told you, we are going to count the number of videos which are being uploaded in the folder of Dropbox. So counter will be our action event. So the counter function in Pabbly Connect is like a simple counting tool basically that helps you track how many times something happens in your automation. It lets you count events, actions or steps and then trigger something special when the count reaches a certain number. Here, because my objective is that when the count of the videos which are uploaded in my Dropbox folder will become 3, then I want to send a notification to my team members and not before that. Okay, so here counter is my action event. Then we are going to set up the connection, and because counter is already an inbuilt feature of Pabbly, so the connection is built successfully. Now here it is asking us what is the initial value, okay, where you want to start the counting. So if you are using 0 as your initial value over here, then you have to keep in mind that the final count will be 1 less than the final value. Let's say, as you know, here my objective is that when 3 videos will be uploaded in Dropbox, then the message should be sent. So because we have final count value as 3, if I am going to use 0 as my initial value, so here I will have to provide the final count value as 2, because 0, 1 and 2, these are the 3 values. If I am using initial value as 1, then in that case I will use the final value as 3, because then it will count 1, 2 and 3. Alright, I hope you have understood that. So here I am going to use the initial value as 0, let's say. Then here we have the operation. Operation will be of increment. So you can perform 2 operations, increment and decrement. Here, because I want to increase the values 0, 1 and 2. So increment will be the operation. Now it is asking us change value by. So by what value you want to change the data. So here I want to increase the number by 1. So first of all, as soon as the video will be uploaded, the count will be 0. Then the next video will be uploaded, the count will be 1. And when the third video will be uploaded, the count will change to 2. So here we are incrementing the values by 1. So the change value will be 1 over here. Do you want to reset your execution? So I'm going to select no. Then it is asking us reset counter after reaching certain final value. After which final value you want to reset your counter. Here, because I have selected 0 in my initial value and I want that when 3 videos will be uploaded successfully in Dropbox, then the counter should start again. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2 like this. So here 2 will be my final value, and when the 3 videos will be uploaded, the final call will be 2, and after 2, the counter should start again. So as we have clicked on save and send test request button, you can see that the response is received and successfully the counter action is applied. Now when the counter action is applied, our objective is to send message notification to our team members on Google Chat Space whenever the videos will be uploaded and the video count will be 3. Alright, so now we'll move forward and alright, so now it's time to move forward. As we have successfully set up the counter function in the workflow, our objective is to send a notification to our team members on Google Chat Space. But before moving forward, because here I want to apply the condition that only when the 3 videos will be uploaded in my Dropbox folder, then the notification should be sent to the team members, not before that. So I will have to use a filter over here that when the final value of my counter function will be equal to a certain value, then only the message should be sent further, otherwise not. So here we'll move forward and we are going to apply the filter condition. Let's click on this add action step button. Our action application over here will be filter, and now we have to select the action event. What is the action event? Filter values. Filter is a feature of Pabbly which helps us to set up the conditions in the workflow according to our requirements. Here we are going to click on connect to build the connection, and as we have done that, here a condition is given in front of us in which we have to enter the label, the filter type and the value. So first of all, let's start with a label. We are going to map the label from our previous response, that means from step number 2. Here we have the counter step, and you can see here we have the final value which we have received. So I'm going to select this, and the label is selected as final value of counter. When we have selected this label, from a previous response, we have mapped this label. And when we map a data like this, it becomes dynamic. That means with each and every new response, automatically it is going to replace. So whenever a new response will be captured from Dropbox, automatically the counter function is going to work as soon as the videos will be uploaded. And every time the videos will be uploaded, the counter is going to count the values. So when the counter is going to count the values, the final value is automatically going to change. But here our condition will be applied when the 3 videos will be uploaded in Dropbox and the final value will be changed. Now here our filter type will be equal to, and here now we have to enter the value. What value you want to enter over here? When the final value of the counter function is going to change to 2, then I want to further run the workflow. Otherwise, I want to stop it over here. Okay, why I have selected 2 as my value? Because as I've told you, we have used initial value of counter as 0. When we are going to start with 0, we have 3 values, 0, 1 and 2. So we are starting with 0, but we are ending on 2 over here. So when the 3 videos count will be uploaded, so when 3 videos will be uploaded in Dropbox, the counter is going to give the final value as 2 because we have started with 0. But in case if you are using 1 as your initial value, then you're going to enter 3 over here, or whatever number you are using, whatever condition you are applying, or whatever number you are using, or whatever condition you are applying for your file uploads. Okay, so here you have to less 1 from the final value if you are using 0 as an initiator. Now, when this condition will be fulfilled, then only I want to run the workflow, otherwise not. Receive the response of single file. Only a single file is uploaded in Dropbox. So we are not going to receive the condition as true. We are going to receive the condition as false. But once we will set up this connection successfully and the workflow is going to run in real time, and as soon as when we are going to upload the videos, the counter is going to give the final value as 2, then the workflow is going to, then automatically the filter condition is going to work, and if the final value will be less than 2, then the workflow will stop automatically. Okay, let's click on save and send test request button, and here the response is received. The condition is false currently. Let's click on this add action step button. We are just setting up the connection. We are just integrating the applications to build the work. So our workflow is currently not working in real time. Now finally, after setting up all the conditions, our objective is to send the notification to our team members on Google Chat space. So here we are going to select Google Chat Hangout as our action application. So our action event will be create message. Let's click on connect. Now as we have done that, here it is asking us chat webhook URL. We have to provide a webhook URL over here to build this connection. And how we are going to get this chat webhook URL? For that you have to click on this hyperlink learn more, which is going to take you towards Pabbly forum page. So over here, when you will scroll down, you will find all the details which you have to follow for setting up the connection. You have to copy this avatar URL given over here, and then you have to go towards your Google Chat space which you want to connect with Pabbly Connect. So this is my space which I want to connect. The name of the space is Prime Properties Marketing Team. So I'm going to go towards the name of the space. So we have to select apps and integrations. Now we are going to set up a webhook over here. Let's click on this add webhook button, and you have to provide a name to the webhook. Because this name is very important, whenever a message will be sent on Google Chat space, the name is going to be displayed. So here you have to give the name according to your requirements. I'm going to give the name, let's say, as new video uploads. Then you have to paste the avatar URL which you have copied from Pabbly forum page, and then we'll simply click on save. As we have done that, the webhook is set up over here, and this is the chat webhook URL which we required. So let's copy and paste it over here in this field. As we have done that, the connection is built. Now we have to enter the message. What message you want to send every time whenever the videos will be uploaded. So the message will be daily target of 3 videos completed and uploaded. Hi team, great news. The content creators have successfully completed today's target of 3 videos and they have been uploaded to Dropbox. Let's review them and plan the next steps for promotions and client sharings. Thanks. Then we are going to click on save and send test request button. And as we have done that, the response is received. So I'm going to take you towards Google Chat space to check whether the message is received or not. This is not actually the real-time example, but we are connecting our application. We are setting up the integration. So this is the message for that. But once the workflow is completed and the workflow is going to run in real time, the message will be sent only after the 3 videos will be uploaded in Dropbox and not for each video. Okay, here you can see that the message is received successfully. This means that the workflow is successful. Once we have completed this workflow, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you the response in real time. Here I'm going to go back towards my Dropbox account. This is my folder, and in this folder I'm going to add 3 videos. I'm going to upload 3 videos over here. Okay, so here we are going to upload 3 files. As soon as 3 videos are uploaded, now we are going to wait for 10 minutes because we have polling time of 10 minutes in Dropbox. So after 10 minutes, the response will be captured inside Pabbly Connect of all these 3 videos. And as soon as we have uploaded the 3 videos, so after 10 minutes, the message is going to be sent on Google Chat Space related to the video uploads. And you can see that yes, after 10 minutes, automatically the message is received for the 3 videos. Now, in order to understand the concept more deeply, I'm going to take you towards the workflow back and we'll go towards the history of this workflow. You can see we have 3 histories over here. First one is for the first video which we have uploaded in Dropbox. So we are going to check this steps and you can see first video is uploaded. Okay, here we have the counter and the value is changed by 0 because the initial value is 0 and the filter is currently false. Now we are going to move towards the next history. The second history is for the second video which we have uploaded. Okay, here we have the second video, we have the counter value as 1. Now in this type also the condition is false. Now as soon as the third video is uploaded, this is the history for the third video, we are going to open it and you can see as soon as the third video is uploaded, then the message is sent on Google Chat Space and not before that. So we have received the Dropbox file, then we have the counter and you can see that the final value is changed to 2 and here the condition is true. As soon as the condition is true, the message is sent. So in this way, you can also very easily create this automation. It is going to help you to automatically send notification on Google Chat Space for Dropbox file in a specific folder and according to your conditions at a specific time interval. Here I have taken the example of video uploads and my objective is that whenever 3 videos will be uploaded for the daily targets in my Dropbox folder, then only the message should be sent on Google Chat Space and not for each file. So you can also similarly create this amazing automation step by step without any coding and programming skills according to your conditions. Here we have used counter in order to count the values of the videos which are being uploaded, and as soon as the number of the videos uploaded in Dropbox becomes the specific value which I wanted, then the message is sent. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such applications without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also, please like our video and subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.